Super Absorbent Polymer, SAP, the profitable manufacturing opportunity for entrepreneurs. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a promising and profitable business opportunity, establishing a super absorbent polymer, SAP, manufacturing business. Whether you are an emerging entrepreneur or an existing business owner seeking expansion, this video will explain why SAP manufacturing is a venture worth considering. Stay tuned to discover the advantages, investment details, and market prospects both in India and around the world. What is Super Absorbent Polymer, SAP? First, let's delve into what Super Absorbent Polymer is. SAP is a highly absorbent material mainly used in personal disposable hygiene products like baby diapers, adult incontinence pads, and sanitary napkins. Its applications also extend to agriculture for improved water conservation, flood management, and even in the packaging industry to protect products from moisture. The wide-ranging use of SAP underlines its essential role in numerous sectors. Reasons to start in SAP manufacturing business. Why should entrepreneurs invest in this industry? The global demand for SAP is surging due to increased health awareness and better hygiene practices. Furthermore, its agricultural uses are expanding as the push for efficient water management grows. The diverse applications of SAP provide a solid foundation for sustainable market growth. Benefits and advantages of SAP manufacturing. Entering the SAP manufacturing industry offers several advantages. High barriers to entry mean fewer competitors. Technological advancements in manufacturing can achieve economies of scale, reducing production costs significantly over time. Innovating within the SAP space can also provide a competitive advantage. Investment details. Discussing the financial aspects, setting up an SAP manufacturing unit requires an investment of approximately $1.41 million for plant and machinery, with a total project cost of about $2.47 million. This initial investment encompasses equipment, technology, and working capital, setting the stage for substantial returns as the business grows. India and global market outlook. The global demand for SAP is expected to increase, driven by its rising use in high-growth regions such as Asia-Pacific. India offers a particularly promising market due to its expanding population and rising disposable incomes. Government initiatives focusing on sanitation and water conservation further enhance the potential for domestic demand. Business opportunities. With the market expanding, SAP manufacturers have various opportunities. You could specialize in niche segments, develop unique SAP blends, or expand into international markets through strategic partnerships. There is also potential for collaborations with the agricultural and pharmaceutical sectors to create new uses for SAP. Conclusion. Summarizing the potential. Starting a super absorbent polymer manufacturing business is about capitalizing on an existing market and paving the way for future innovations. The significant investment required is offset by the potential for high returns and a robust market presence, both in India and internationally. If you are seeking a business that merges innovation with strong growth prospects, SAP manufacturing might be your next major venture. Thank you for watching. If you found this business idea intriguing, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights into profitable business ventures. Have any questions or want to see more content like this? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. This script offers a thorough overview of how and why entrepreneurs can embark on the SAP manufacturing business, highlighting the strategic investment and market potential in an engaging and informative manner.